Morning, well, it's Hippy Trev here. Another cloudy day up here in paradise. Actually got the jeans on this morning. It's a little bit chilly. Yeah, we're hoping it's going to rain. Didn't get a drop out of it yesterday. Hoping it's going to rain today. Anyway, roll the intro.
Hi, Hippy Trev here, and welcome to my channel. Hope you get something out of it.
Right, our worlds. So, let's stick the old wallet and grommet in the car. Going to get ready to load up the trailer and chuck it on the back of the car and go and get rid of these leaves, and then instead of worry about the leaves down the back, what I might do is come back and maybe try and load the trailer with all this crap and send it on its way down the tip. I just want this backyard cleaned up as quickly as I can, and once all that's crap gone, I can work out where I'm going to put all that crap, and then I can work out where I'm going to put all that crap. I've got about 5 piles of crap I need to get rid of because it's all crap. So yeah, we're definitely hoping for some rain up here. My lawns are dead as dead. Rightio, I'm going to get to work. Rightio, later, bye. Doesn't look like I'm losing anything out of the back of the trailer at this stage. Done this before. Oh, there's a nice XW over there, XY maybe. $1 worth of car just there. how well I'll get this trailer unhooked and I'll push it around the back where it needs to be so I can start loading up all the rubbish. I'm a little bit early, so I'm hoping they're going to be open. Just rubbish, mate. Just total rubbish. Yep. Yeah. Just household shit.
You got any steel or household like chairs and shit like that?
Nah. No? I do have. I've got another load coming in of steel. I've separated. Like I got wire.
Steel's fine. It's cheap. Yeah, it's good.
No, but I got like fencing wire and shit coming in.
Oh yeah, right.
Not much, just enough there. I'll get this unloaded and I should be back with another load in about an hour. So, mate. Alright, let's go drop off his catcher. And go back, load up with steel. Whoa, speed bump. Rightio, well, so we've just unloaded that. I'm going to go home and start loading up the steel and get back and drop that off. And after that, we've just got the macadamia nuts to do. So, rightio, well, catch you later. Bye. That's an ugly fucking load. Rightio welds, I've got a real ugly load on the back of steel. And I hope we make it out there because it's as ugly as it gets. It's all fucking wire and just shit. If Joe had put up a bond, I probably wouldn't have given her back to her. Sorry mate, it's all good. You certainly did collect some shit along the way mate, but anyway, I've cleared it all out now. So this load I've only got leaves to go, so whether I've got enough energy this afternoon to go down and rake up and load up all the leaves, I'm not really sure. But on the back there's all joes of wire and shit and bits of fucking odd ends of steel and just crap that was brought home and chucked down the back and buried under all them leaves that I've just recently dug out. So the backyard's definitely looking a hell of a lot cleaner now. Job well done. So alright, get this to the tip and unload it and come home, have a cup of tea and decide what I'm going to do for the rest of the afternoon. And yeah, can't believe it, all that shit's out of my yard. Yeehaw. Alright, later welds, bye. Alright welds, back home, and look what a difference from that to now this. What a difference. That is massive. So now, well, first I'm going to go and have a couple of cups of tea because I'm pretty exhausted. I've been going flat out for 2 hours. So now I've got all this shit to get rid of. There's so much volume there. I may get it all on one trailer load, I'm not really sure. We'll have to see what goes on. But anyway, I might not do that one today, I might do that tomorrow. Or maybe get it loaded up today. Tip closes at 5, and it's now just coming on to 2. So yeah, not sure what I'm going to do. So anyway, worlds, still a fair bit of work to do in the backyard. Oh, I heard some kookaburras before early too, so we might even get a touch of rain. It looking like it wants to rain, but we just can't get there. I mean, look at my yard, it's dead. So I might have a fire pit in the next week or so, maybe burn off the rest of that just to get rid of it. Then I've got to sort all my timbers out, and then I've just got to rake and clean and get rid of all that loose bits of shit on the ground over there. But anyway, amazing what a bit of work can do to get rid of a lot of shit out of your backyard. So anyway, worlds. Fuck's just up there in a red Commodore driving like a fucking idiot. Fucking idiot. Been hearing this cunt driving around the streets late at night like a fucking maniac. Who is this cunt? I'll brick his fucking window if I catch him driving up and down my street like a maniac again. Fucking idiots. Yep, fucking losers. Rightio, well, so I'm going to keep an eye on that red fucking dunny door, and these cunts drive like fucking idiots up and down our street. Yeah, hope you're blowing your car up, cockhead. Fucking idiot. Fucking brainless cunts. Rightio, well. Fucking young cunts. Keep driving like fucking idiots, I'll brick their fucking car window. Anyway, later. I'm going to call it there for today, and I'll catch you on the next vid. So stay safe, keep your knees in the breeze, and I'll catch you later. Bye.